Good morning to people on YouTube. I would like to introduce myself as Rob Kutsia. What people call me is Grizzly Rob. There are certain, funny reasons why they call me that. The thing on TV years ago was called Grizzly, Adam Grizzly, something. Afrikaans Ben is a beer. Joppie Adam. Okay. This is just a request from the people that see my little shorts and clips and whatever. I would like to get some support from you people, especially the DIY people. Make things at home with on your own time as a hobby or whatever. Please subscribe and give you make comment or whatever, and I'll give you advice as much as possible. And I love my woodwork. I do everything by hand. It's maybe a bit primitive, not very high technology. This is South Africa, and the cost for technology in South Africa is ridiculous. But and I'm what they call Grizzly Rock. Have a good day and be blessed.